Practicing Christianity as a religion is one of the easiest things you can do, especially when you grow up in church. You already know how everything works. You already know when the Bible study holds. You already know the church rules, the do's and don'ts. You can know all of that and still be empty on the inside. You can attend every meeting, follow every church rule and still not be saved. You just believe as if Christianity is a set of rules you are supposed to keep, not a natural relationship with God through Jesus Christ. That is what surface level Christianity looks like. It's an activity without encounter. It's a religion without relationship. The moment someone challenges your faith, maybe a Muslim or an atheist, or a friend of yours with a few questions, you will struggle to stand. Not because the truth is not strong enough, but because you never actually grabbed hold of it. You only inherited it. So work out your own salvation. Know why you are a Christian. It's really important.